2018 Exam 1 Core Recursion and Financial Modeling, Question 22. Now, I'd like to address this question because the vast majority fell for a trick on this one, and there's a lot of sort of myths about how to solve this one. So let me show you the correct way to do this by first showing you the wrong way to do this and why they love to do a question like this, because they catch people every time with this. So let's have a go. Obviously, this is screaming financial solver. So let's pull up our financial solver. Now, the wrong way to do this is a lot of people go, okay, I want to know 59 payments. 59 payments. I put in my 3.72. There we go. There's my money. It's positive because you imagine you're at the loan right now, and so that you've got the money from the bank, you've got to pay it back at the end. You got repayments of 3,200, which is why it's negative 3,200. And it's all monthly, so it's 12s and 12s. And then you press the final value button and you get this, and that looks like D, but it's wrong. And 41% of people chose that answer, and it was wrong. That is not how you do last payment calculations. They do love a last payment calculation, they really do. So another way of people doing it is they do correctly put in the 60, not the 59, and then they get this number out. And so they go and pick A, and 10% of people chose A, and 10% of people were wrong. What you've got to do, all right, I mean, this second part is much better. You take the 368.12 and add it to that. So basically, at the end of the 60th payment, you still owe another 368. So if you're going to pay it off with the 60th payment, you've got to pay an additional $368. If you add those two together, you get the correct answer, which is E. But you didn't have to actually add them, because once you knew it was more than 3557, you were all good. So be careful with these things. A lot of misinformation about how to solve these ones has been flying around my classroom. So take care and look at those final payments. This is where you need to think. If this was a positive, then you'd actually have to subtract it from that. Okay, so probably some people mistakenly took the 3,200 and subtracted 368.12, and that's probably how they got the answer B, wasn't it? Which was also wrong. Remember, negative pay to the bank. So negative payment 3,200 and another negative 368.